Warning, paper may be too small to draw the whole thing, so be sure to leave a comment below. What's up guys, it's me again. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a perserker. I mean perserker, not berserker. Perserker is perserker is actually the evolved form of a Galarian form of Meowth rather than Persian. So that's a big change for you guys. It's not like the normal Meowth to transform into a Pokemon like this. Makes me wonder what the Kanto region of Perserker would look like. Be sure to leave a picture of what the Kanto version of Perserker might look like. So anyways, to draw him, you must start with the eyes. Next up, you go with the teeth. Go up, down, go big, go home. Well, nothing much really, but there we go. Next up, you have to draw his beard. Okay, there we go. And here's his other hair. There's his hair. Big hair. And here's his charm here. As you can see, the charm is like a titanium silver. And is not like the gold Meowth thing. Not like the golden Meowth hair. And then next up, you have to draw his whiskers here. And here's his... There we go. Next up, you have to draw his... There we go. Next up, you have to draw his horn here. There's his horn here. Wait, I think I made it a bit too small. That's more like it. Next up, you have to draw his other horn. There we go. And there's his hair. There we go. And next up, you have to draw these marks. That's done. And next up, you have to draw his back here. Okay, here's his... Next up, you have to draw his arm here. There's his claw. You must know Perserker's claws are really sharp and can transform into knife-like swords. Anyways, there we go. And here's his body. There's his foot. And here's his other foot. Footy. Here's his foot. You know, for some reason I wasn't expecting to have Bigfoot feet. Bigfoot feet. Bigfoot. Here's his other foot. And here's his big paw. And just for your viewers to know, his claws can retract and become a really big saw. Anyways, but since I'm doing a picture, I will draw these. Anyways, that's how you draw Perserker. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys soon.